You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. You will need 12 inches of elastic fabric. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Don't forget folding line while cutting. Add lining from natural fabric.
Got kick.
Overlock. You can also use zigzag or elastic stitch.
Kick.
For sewing edges, I use flat seamer. Good luck on your project.